to another video on tech tips from CMMXYZ. Today, let's find out how to create a probe component in PC-DMIS. Custom probe is built when we have a probe component that is not listed in probe description while building a probe in PC-DMIS. For example, if we have a disc stylus of diameter 4 mm, width 1 mm, and length 31.5 mm, this stylus is not listed in the probe description. This is when we create a custom probe to complete our probe build. To create a probe component, there's an option called Custom Probe Builder Utility in PC-DMIS. To access Custom Probe Builder Utility, go to Edit, Preferences, Custom Probe Builder Utility. When you select Custom Probe Builder Utility, a pop-up comes up asking if you want to create a new probebuilder.dat file or open an existing one. It is in this file where the information of the created custom probe is saved. Let's select Open an existing file. This takes us to the directory where the existing probebuilder.dat file is located. The path to the directory is C drive, program data, hexagon, PC-DMIS, PC-DMIS version. Select the existing probebuilder.dat file and click on Open. When the Probe Builder Utility dialog box opens, you can find three tabs: CAD Components, Component Builder, and Assembly. Using CAD Components, you can import the CAD file of the component created in CAD software and use it in PC-DMIS. Assembly tab uses the existing components in Probe Builder and probe.dat file for assembly and saves it in IGS format. To build a probe in PC-DMIS, we go to Component Builder tab. In Component Builder tab, from Element Type area, we can create tips, extension, and polygonal elements. Now, let's create a disc stylus of diameter 4 mm using Custom Probe Builder. First, let's make the cylinder leading to the disc by selecting Cylinder option under Tip. In the drawing, the distance from the threaded end of the stylus to the center of the disc is 31.5 mm. So, the distance from the threaded end to the start of the disc is 31 mm, subtracting the 0.5 mm from the width of the disc. Let's create a cylinder by keying in the diameter 1 mm and height 31 mm. Change the connecting thread to M2. Now click on Create to create the cylinder. To create the disc, select the disc option under Tip and key in the diameter of the disc 4 mm and the height 1 mm. Then click on Create to add the disc. Rename the component and select Save. The conical shape of the stylus is inconsequential as the length of the stylus is considered for calibration. However, you can add the cone if you know the dimension of the conical shape. After saving the component, click on OK to complete. Now, let's open the probe utilities to check if the new probe tip is created. Open the probe description list and you can see that our 4 mm disc stylus is created. Select the probe tip and add it to complete our probe build. Press OK to save the probe file. You can see that the probe component is added to the probe in PC-DMIS. This was a video on Custom Probe Builder. Thank you for watching the video.